case you forgot, the purpose of your life is to live it. Not to look good doing it, not to succeed in it, not to make something of yourself. The goal of your life is simply to live it. Enjoy it, embrace it, and learn from it.
Hi guys, today we're projecting.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna blow dry. We can fix all of this.
Blow all the dirt going on the over there so I could clean it. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
What can you say about our project? Are you tired?
No,
Okay, you want to take a break?
I want coloring.
You want coloring? We're
Yeah.
not even halfway yet.
Okay, let's go do that.
It's okay. We can color. You can go get your
Yay!
color stuff and we can do color.
Now?
Yeah, I can stop because I know you're tired. Good job. You're trying to help me.
We can do it later too, guys.
Okay, later again. Okay.
What day is it already?
It's Thursday.
Guys, it's day Thursday. Bye. Let's go!
It's important for them to
Daddy, I
spend
want to
time.
take this
What is it? Okay, you can take that off.
later out. So are we? Good. Done it. Go, guys.
So I haven't finished this part here yet because I have to move this hot tub. We put tile there. Oh, this is Naya's shed. Okay, where's your coloring stuff? This is all her toys. We put it away here, right here, Naya's shed, and that is Audis shed or mom's shed, and then my shed is over there for my tools. Where do you want to color?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but no, I'm just asking. We can go Lacroix, we can go everywhere, but no car. It's okay. We can still walk. No, I don't want to walk. I'm gonna be too tired. You too. Who's gonna carry my dad? No one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, because you're too heavy.
Who, me?
Yeah, because you're so heavy.
You're so funny.
Wait, where is the cover? I think it don't have a cover.
Okay. Well, I think that's end of our vlog for today. Oh, we say it together. Can you say bye and thank you for watching?
Bye. Thank you for watching.